This is a First Alert 5 weather alert.
This week, the jet stream will be moving over Colorado, giving us a multi-day wildfire risk. Meanwhile, the mountains will be hit with heavy snowfall as this jet stream just kind of parks itself over the state. It'll be especially strong here in southern Colorado. And this is a textbook example of how our terrain greatly influences our weather. So this westerly jet stream moving across Colorado on the western side of the state, that's an upslope wind. So this parcel of air is taken from a low elevation, forced upwards. It cools, it condenses, and it makes snow. On the downslope side here in eastern Colorado, that air parcel is forced downward. It's compressed, heated up, and the pressure increases, and that increases our fire threat as that air dries out. So you'll see this at play through the week. Tonight, we're going to start to see that wind increase because the jet stream is moving over the state. So while we're relatively calm right now, you'll notice the wind picking up in the mountains and mountain valleys in the overnight hours. So here's about midnight, gusting to 45 in Woodland Park. We're gusting to 44 miles per hour in Colorado City by 4 a.m., gusting to 50 for Woodland Park and the Ramparts. And then throughout the day on Tuesday, that wind will translate down to the plains, and it's going to be a very windy afternoon. Our wind gusts will be frequently from 40 to 50 miles per hour, but by the mid-afternoon, we'll get wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. In the mountains, they could get high as 80 to 85 miles per hour. Coming in out of the west, that will bring very strong crosswinds to north-south oriented roads, and we could have areas of blowing dust, reducing visibility on roadways as well. So these alerts will go into place at different times. Generally, in the higher elevations, it'll start tonight around 11 p.m., starting at 7 a.m. for the plains. Most of us will see this expire 6 p.m. tomorrow. So we have that high wind risk, plus it'll be dry on the eastern side of the state. So we have very high fire danger. Portions of the eastern plains have extreme fire danger where the vegetation has not been this dry in over a decade. So it's a very high risk fire day. Any fires that start will spread quickly. We also do have fire weather watches for Wednesday. This is a multi-day event as this jet stream is just parked over the state. I mentioned that mountain snow on the upslope side. They're going to be hit with multiple rounds of heavy snow in the coming days. Many of our ski areas will pick up a foot of snow. The San Juans could get as much as a couple of feet, especially the Wolf Creek Pass area. So it will be tough to navigate in the high country throughout the entirety of the week. We are going to see some change in terms of temperature this week here on the eastern side of the state. So we're warm and windy for the next couple of days, especially tomorrow. Then a gusty cold front comes in, cools us down on Thursday, primes the atmosphere a bit for some light snow shower potential on Friday. Emphasis on light. I don't expect a whole lot of it, but it could be something that impacts your afternoon, but low impacts for us for now. The weekend starts to clear out and warm back up. In Pueblo, very windy, dusty tomorrow. Very windy still on Wednesday. Wednesday gusts look to be up to about 50 miles per hour. They'll be in excess of 60 on Tuesday. You're also going to see a late week cool down, definitely cold overnight. We'll still be on the drier side, but a few flakes and flurries are possible on Friday. Canyon City, very windy the next couple of days. Then we'll cool down towards the end of the week, low chance of precipitation Friday. Woodland Park, you'll see a mix of snow showers kind of coming off the Continental Divide Tuesday, Wednesday, in addition to that very strong wind.